Peace and love, creatives. I figured I would take you on this cute little photo journal spread that I'm doing, and also talk to you a little bit about YouTube and all that kind of stuff, you know? I'm so appreciative of you guys hanging out and sticking with me, and I know I haven't done my lives and I haven't been able to be consistent, but I'm doing my best. It's kind of difficult sometimes just because filming can be hard depending on the day and the time. And if I have to do a voiceover, that also I have to find a specific time and day to do it where I'm not neglecting anything that I need to do in order to finish a video. If I'm being honest, I don't see myself getting any kind of monetary compensation from YouTube in the near future. And for those of you who possibly think that I do, I don't. I don't have enough people consistently viewing my channel where the amount of hours match up to me making money or even having control of the ads that are played on specific videos. With that being said, if you are watching a video of mine and an ad comes on, I apologize. I wish I had control of that, but I don't. There's no way of me controlling taking ads off or putting them on at this moment. I think that is given to someone who has the watch hours and can, finagle with that. But as far as right now is concerned, I can't. And if YouTube decides to put a commercial on my, an ad, on my channel, they can. And I don't have any authority to change it or anything. So with that being said, I'm sorry that you have to sit through an ad. I'm equally sorry that I can't do anything about it. But I don't know. Maybe in the future I'll have enough people watching the channel so that I can have control of that, and I don't have to worry if someone is gonna leave my video because an ad popped up and it's not worth waiting for the ad to finish or whatnot. I don't know. It's woe is me, right? Whatever. It's no big deal, but I just wanted to put it out there. I wish I had control. I don't. If you are curious to know how that works, basically you need a certain amount of hours of watch time for the whole year. So every 365 days, you need specifically 4,000 watch hours continuously throughout the year for you to not have any kind of like hiccups in receiving money, I guess, for the ads. I don't get that. I don't get anywhere near that. I remember a year ago trying to chase that just because I don't know. I thought that was what you had to do or what you should do, being that, I had a YouTube channel. But since then, I don't see the point in it. I'm an art channel. I don't expect myself to be making too much money via YouTube ads on my channel. But, that's why I started a Patreon, and I can work commission and all kind, that kind of stuff, and make my money there, which I rather be making art and getting paid for my art than banking on YouTube giving me money for ads that they're putting out on my videos. Not to say that it doesn't suck that they're making money off of those ads on my videos, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? It's a free platform, and I get to not only showcase my art on the channel and play with art with you guys, but I also get to hang out with you, have conversations with you, and grow a community with you. So I'll take it. You know what I mean? If that's the price I have to pay, I'll take it. I'm not sure if everyone watching will take it. You know what I mean? I feel like it's hard to know if I'm worth sticking through an ad because only you can decide that, being that you're the person watching the video. But I hope you do. This video is going to be short. I just kind of wanted to show you what I was doing because I feel like it's a really cool idea in the fact that, you know, you have all of these artists that you admire, you buy their prints, sometimes you put them up on the wall, and sometimes you don't have enough space to put them all up on the wall, especially like me, when you have a Patreon and you're constantly getting new art every month. It's nice to put the new one up and then have a place for the older ones. And then I just really thought it cute to decorate the page according to the print to kind of like make it stand out a little bit more. So that's cute. I liked it, and I thought it would be a nice little fun share with you guys. If you have things that you do with your art that you purchase from other artists, similar to this or different, I would love to hear it in the comments and share it with us. I'm sure that other friends want to hear what you get up to with these prints, with your prints, if you do. If you don't, I don't know, just say hi. All right. I know this is just a part of the YouTube life, I guess. But if you could just be so kind to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, like all of that kind of stuff does help. If that seems like something you would like to feel free to say hi. All right. I want to thank you for watching and hanging out with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.